we're going to talk about how to measure things using graduated instruments. Graduated instruments have markings throughout them so that you can measure things of different sizes or volumes, unlike volumetric glassware, which only has one marking, so you can only measure one volume. So we're going to start with a ruler. When you use a ruler, you want to make sure that your object is right at that 0 line, so right at the start. You also want to check to see what the smallest division or the smallest graduation is on your measurement tool. So for our ruler, each little line is representing 0.1 centimeters. So when we look at our metal object here, it's in between the 3.7 and the 3.8 markings. We always measure to our markings and then estimate one digit past that. It's very close to that 3.8 line, so we're going to estimate this at 3.78 centimeters. For our graduated cylinders, for the large one here, each marking is for 1 milliliter. So we get down to eye level with that meniscus, and our meniscus is right at that 74 mark. We still need to go to the proper number of significant digits though, which is 1 past the graduation marks. So if each graduation mark is at the 1 milliliter mark, we're going to estimate out to the first decimal place. So this is a volume of 74.0 milliliters. For our small graduated cylinder, our volume is in between the 6.6 and 6.7 milliliter markings. Each marking in this graduated cylinder is for 0.1 milliliters. So we're going to estimate one digit past that, and it's pretty close to the 6.6 line. So we're going to estimate that our volume is 6.62 milliliters. One more thing to note, when you're using graduated instruments, the markings can be different. So don't assume that all graduated cylinders are going to be the same. Take that extra step to check what division the markings are on your instrument.